Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be talking about how you can set up your iPhone when you first receive it and how to set up the eSIM as well. So let's say I've got this iPhone 12 here. Let's say you did receive a phone, you just bought an iPhone and you want to set it up, right? So first thing what you're gonna do, let's say you want to turn it on. This is when you set it up the very first time that you want to use it. And okay, so this will start like this. If it has a iOS 26, then start like that. So how you set it up, you go there, you select the country of wherever you are from. It should tell you all of the details right here, whichever country you're from. So since we are here in the United States, click here. For the appearance, you can have it on default, medium, or you can have a large appearance as well. And then hit continue. Quickly set up iPhone. With this iPhone, what you can do is, let's say if you want to transfer, if you have an old iPhone and you want to transfer everything, you can just, let's say, have another right here, right? And it actually tells you if you want to set up with that, okay? Which we don't want to do that, so you want to do that setup without the device. And then you hook up the Wi-Fi password there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it will take a second to load the other screen. Data and privacy, you just hit continue, and then the age range, it will ask you, just you do that. Now you can also set up the Face ID, or you can also do it later on. So if you want to do, you can hit setup later. Also for the passcode option, you can just hit passcode option. Some people, they say it won't go through, but you hit passcode option and click don't use passcode, and click don't use passcode right there. Now with this, if you want to transfer it from iCloud backup, you can do that. Or if you want to do from another iPhone, you have to turn it on, and it should just bring the logo, and it's like a scanner. You have to scan it, it's a barcode, and it just automatically does that. Or from Mac or PC, you can do that too. Or you can also from, if you have an Android, Samsung, or any other phone, you can do that too. So you just hit don't transfer. Now if you already have a Google Apple account, you can transfer it. You can just sign in there, and the Google account can also be the Apple account as well. People use that. And since we are not doing it, so you can do forgot password and don't have it, and then click setup letters and settings, click don't use, agree, automatically update if you want to do that. If not, then only download automatically. Do that. Face ID, you want to use that. The location services can be turned on. Now with the eSIM setup, it's giving you see transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. If you already have iPhone, you just keep it like here, and it should just give you option to transfer it, the eSIM. If not, then the QR code must be sent by your carrier provider in order to do that. You just hit setup letter, screen time if you want to do that. iPhone analytics, so if you want to share it with Apple, or you can don't share it. Light or dark display, auto or dark, you can do that. Let's say if you want to do all or light, it's up to you. Continue. And if you want to set up Siri, you just hit Siri, otherwise set up letter. And there you go. You do this. Okay, so that's how you actually set it up. I hope this actually helps you, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.